Now don't get me wrong, I am fully aware that my chosen title and thumbnail for this video does border right on the very edge of the line to what people would consider clickbait. However, I am being genuine with it because I have actually discovered something that DJI have missed on their newly launched DJI Mini 5 Pro, and I think it's something that could potentially affect, most certainly, the way that you potentially fly this drone if you are thinking about getting one. So what is actually missing from this drone then? Let's find out. So you will be well aware by now that DJI have launched their latest incarnation of their mini-sized drones, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and indeed this is mine right here, and it has caused a huge amount of talking points within the drone community, mainly because of its weight. Of course, this is a DJI Mini drone, so traditionally they weigh under that 250 grams, usually coming in at 249. However, there is enough evidence out there, both by other YouTube creators and indeed my own skills and plenty of user feedback, to say that this drone is actually coming in at 252 grams, which generally affects potentially where you can fly this drone. However, I have actually gone one step further and noticed not only is it slightly overweight, but how is anybody going to know? Let me explain, because this is, of course, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and one of the main party pieces of this piece of kit is it does have the C0 label, if that is zooming in, okay? But the thing is, with this C0 label, it generally means that it's classified under 250 grams, basically meaning that here in Europe, we can fly it generally in a built-up area. Not quite yet in the UK, that's coming next year, but certainly in Europe, and it will mean that we can fly it in a built-up area. However, there is something missing from this DJI Mini 5 Pro. We can spend all day looking, zooming in, looking and inspecting every single part of this piece of apparatus. But the one thing you're not going to see is this drone's weight. Okay, at no point on this drone, absolutely anywhere, does this drone tell us how much it actually weighs. And that's a really interesting point. Unlike the old DJI Mini 4 Pro, where it actually said the weight on the battery to say that this drone was a 249 gram drone, on this battery, there is absolutely nothing. And indeed, as I've already mentioned, there is nothing on the drone itself to say how much this actually weighs. So where am I going with this, you may add? Well, if you haven't figured this out already, DJI do actually offer for this DJI Mini 5 Pro, which isn't actually available in my country to be able to buy, the Plus battery. Now, with that Plus battery, we get a bigger capacity, we get an increased battery life. Now, basically, because it's not available in the UK, if I go to the DJI store and just switch it from the UK to Australia, for example, you can see this comes up as a viable option for us to buy. Now, of course, in this modern world, just because I cannot buy it from the DJI sites such as AliExpress regularly stock these sorts of things. It's the same way that I got my Plus batteries for my DJI Mini 4 Pro. And I'm just wondering if you've cottoned onto where I'm actually going with this. But the fact that there's no weight markings on this drone whatsoever, or indeed the battery, you could actually buy the Plus battery and absolutely nobody would know, because with the DJI Mini 4, when you've got a Plus battery, it literally doesn't say the 249, whereas obviously the lighter battery does say 249. But with this, neither battery says the weight. And of course, because there's no weight on the drone, unless you literally had a policeman come over, stop you with some scales and weigh it, you could quite easily use this DJI Mini 5 Pro with the Plus battery, and absolutely nobody would have any idea. Just an interesting point I thought I would bring you on this YouTube video, just to say that there is something missing for this drone, and it has a bit of a secret. The secret is you cannot see on the drone how much it actually weighs. So if somebody decided to stop you to say that you are flying a drone and they want to know the weight of it, technically you couldn't actually prove it. All you could say is it's got the sticker, that means it's regulation friendly. So there we go, not really clickbait. DJI genuinely have left something off this drone, and it is the vital piece of information as to how much it actually weighs. Okay, so please do let me know in the comment section below if this is something you actually spotted, and ultimately I think it's a great talking point even further above the fact that this actually comes in at over 250 grams. So again, if you found this video useful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, thank you very much for watching. Catch you again soon.